Did you know that one of Africa's largest snakes can swallow prey much bigger than you might expect? The African rock python is one of the biggest snakes in Africa, reaching lengths of over 5 meters in exceptional cases. It is a powerful, non-venomous constrictor found across parts of sub-Saharan Africa. Instead of using venom, this giant snake grabs its prey with its powerful jaws and coils its muscular body around the animal. It then squeezes tightly until the prey can no longer breathe. African rock pythons eat a wide variety of animals, including rats, birds, antelope, warthogs, and even crocodile-sized prey in rare reports. They are excellent swimmers and can spend time near rivers, lakes, and wetlands. Despite their intimidating size, they usually avoid humans, but when threatened, they can be extremely dangerous. So, would you be brave enough to encounter an African rock python in the wild?